Are you worried about equipment safety and fleet management? Landscaping companies face unique challenges every day. Ensuring your valuable tools and vehicles are protected is essential. That's where SureCam comes in. With our advanced GPS tracking and dash camera technology, you gain real-time insights into your operations. SureCam improves safety, transparency, and equipment management. Imagine reducing workers' compensation claims with clear evidence of incidents. Our dual-facing dash cams capture every angle, helping you train your team effectively. Want to watch your crews work efficiently across multiple sites? SureCam provides a complete view of your fleet's location. SureCam stands out with its user-friendly installation, an intuitive dashboard, and immediate video access. Don't let your landscaping business fall behind. Book a demo today and experience the safety and efficiency of SureCam. Protect your equipment and optimize your fleet now.